Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Sajid Alam. Today, Physics Mathematics Hub is presenting third numerical question from the Physics textbook Class 10, Unit 11, Sound. So, let's start. Here is the numerical question. A gunshot from a 22 rimfire rifle has an intensity of about 2.5 multiplied by 10 to the power 13 times I naught. Do we need to wear ear protection? Considering that prolonged exposure to sounds above 85 decibels can cause hearing damage or loss. We are given that the intensity I of a gunshot is about 2.5 multiplied by 10 to the power 13 times the threshold of hearing. Here, threshold of hearing I naught is the quietest sound intensity that the average human ear can detect. It is usually defined as I naught is equal to 10 to the power minus 12 watt per meter square. This value is a reference level to compare other sounds and measure their intensity in decibels. We are also given that safe hearing level of sound is 85 decibels. Sound above 85 decibel can cause hearing damage with prolonged exposure. Here, and what we need to find is sound intensity level of the gunshot denoted by beta. In part B, we have to take decision on ear protection. Once we calculate the intensity level in part A, we will compare it to the 85 decibel safety threshold. Now, let's calculate the intensity level in decibels using the formula. Beta is equal to 10 log of I divided by I naught decibels. Plugging the values from the given data, we have beta is equal to 10 log of 2.5 multiplied by 10 to the power 13 into I naught divided by I naught. Here we cancel I naught with I naught and we get beta is equal to 10 log of 2.5 multiplied by 10 to the power 13 decibels. Here we are going to use a formula. Log of A multiplied by B is equal to log of A plus log of B. So beta is equal to 10 log of 2.5 plus log of 10 to the power 13 decibel. Using another formula, log of 10 to the power 13 is equal to 13 log of 10. We get beta is equal to 10 log of 2.5 is equal to 0.397 plus 13 log of 10 decibel. Beta is equal to 10, 0.397 plus 13 and log of 10 is equal to 1. Beta is equal to 10 into 13.397 decibel. Beta is equal to 133.97 decibel. Rounding the figure, we get beta is equal to 134 decibel. which is the required intensity level of the given sound. Without ear protection, a single shot at this intensity can cause immediate hearing damage. This is why it is so important to wear ear protection when you are near to any source of loud noise. A safety intensity level limit is 85 decibel and 134 decibel is much greater than 85 decibel, so we have to wear ear protection. If you enjoyed learning physics problems, don't forget to subscribe to Physics Mathematics Hub for more physics and mathematics problems. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.